supposed to address in the morning or afternoon or what? Morning? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
All children, parents. It's very difficult to settle in that you are speaking virtually to students or parents because we are so used to, throughout our lives, we've been dealing with people personally, and suddenly the world changes into something which is very different. And I hope all of you are keeping healthy and fine. And we're doing this virtual sports in school, and I I would like to thank all the teachers, principal ma'am, vice principal sir, all the coordinators. Uh, that because of their efforts, uh, the sports teachers who've been working constantly, the teachers also have been working constantly from day one during the corona. Uh, Principal ma'am, vice principal, all the coordinators have been working constantly from day one of the corona time to provide education to all of you. And it's a very difficult time for the whole world, and everything seems to come to a stop. And especially the most important factor which binds humanity is social interaction, which has come to a stop. Everything is saying keep social distancing. And we as Indians are so socially close together that is the most difficult thing for us to do. Keep social distances, because all our festivals, everything around us is supposed to be socially interactive. And that is one thing which has been stopped totally. Though you don't see it in the markets, you see people climbing on top of each other now, and you are having traffic jams every day. So that social distancing, I don't know where it is maintained, but it is supposed to be maintained. So all of you must do that, and even when you are coming back to school, you need to maintain that so that no one gets affected, infected, and everyone is safe and is able to carry on their lives normally. Sports, you must have now realized the importance of sports. Um, Not being on the sports field, just doing sports virtually, I think it's quite painful. But still, as the situation says, we have to do it, so we have to do it. But I still miss seeing those children, I mean, all of you children practicing here on the field and sweating and fighting for their little wins, and those little places where you lost, those small disappointments. Those are all a part of that beautiful life we all led last year. But one lesson I think everyone has learned, that we can't take anything for granted, which we all do. हम लोग सोच लेते हैं कि हाँ हम 60 साल तक जिएंगे, 70 साल तक जिएंगे, 12th पास कर लेंगे, हमारा फेयरवेल भी होगा, सब सोचते हैं. बट सिचुएशन कैन चेंज एनी टाइम. कई बच्चे बड़ी दुआएं मांगते थे कि भाई छुट्टी हो जाए, छुट्टी सर, लंबी छुट्टी हो जाए, एक एक दिन के लिए टीचर्स कोऑर्डिनेटर्स सर 1 डे हॉलीडे. अभी मिल गई ना 7 महीने की छुट्टी, मज़ा आया. भगवान से मांगो, सोच के मांगो, है ना. जो कुछ मांगना चाहिए सोच के मांगना चाहिए. कभी कभी भगवान बोल देता है तथास्तु, हो गया, 8 महीने की छुट्टी काटो बेटा. तो इतनी लंबी छुट्टियां हो गई, स्पेशली क्लास 12th चिल्ड्रन, दे रियली, this is their time, their last year in school, which is going to be quite miserable because they've not been in touch with the teachers, with their friends, and they'll miss out on this one golden year of their life. And I hope this ends soon and everyone is healthy and happy. And we we all as teachers always look forward to see all of you children soon. And but one more thing is that you all must realize that this is not a holiday. This is a time where people have been working hard. Those who are not working hard, I'm sorry to say, there's going to be no change. There's going to be no relaxation in this world because there was Corona. 10 years down the line, you cannot hold Corona responsible for not being able to have a successful life. No one will even consider it. Humans are such that they forget things very fast. Be it a Corona, be it a war, be it anything, we've all emerged out of it and got out of it. There were years where there were world wars, there were famines, there were so many diseases, but everyone's got out of it and worked and carried on. So don't wait. Don't make Corona an excuse for not being successful. It is your life. Corona will disappear. Everything will disappear. Only thing that will remain with you is what you have done with that time. That is your time. And if you utilize that time well, it will show. And if you wasted that time loitering around, sitting and watching television or sitting on the mobile, that is again yours. So I hope you have utilized your time, and teachers have been at it. A lot of children have utilized their time and worked very hard. But a lot of children have not done that. But that is your choice. We cannot get into, teachers can only be there as guides. Guides for whom? For your life. Whose career? Your career. Who's going to enjoy it? You are going to enjoy it. So at the end of the day, you are responsible. So please make sure that you are responsible for your life, for your success also, and also for your failure. And what you do with your time is your responsibility. We are always there supporting you, we are always there with you, to guide you, to help you, but ultimately the burden you'll have to bear on your own. Be it sports, be it studies, and be it your career. We are not here to judge you what you have done during these times of 6-7 months, but surely we are here to guide you and to tell you that you are responsible for what you have done with your time. It's been practically 7 to 8 months now, and especially children who are going for boards or not even going for boards, you had enough of time to do so good things, so many good things, that if you have utilized your time, you will come out as a winner in the worst of situation. God gives us everything. It gives us sunlight, it gives us rain, it gives us a stormy weather, but it depends on you what you make the best out of it. People get scared of lightning, and some people use that lightning for power. Yeah. You seen those superheroes? Yeah. Getting power. So God gives you everything, it's how you use it. He's given you Corona, take it positively. You have so much of free time to do. You have less socializing. And but anyways, we miss this field. I'm using this field. I'm running and I'm doing my exercise, which is very important. And during Corona, it is the most important thing for everyone to do is to exercise, which people are doing less, and they are finding new recipes. Everyone's become a cook, and everyone throws that weight machine out of their houses. Out, new recipe. Everyone you see on social media, everyone has become a new cook. You see cake, you see this happening. Less people doing exercising, and this is the time you need to exercise. Health wise also, only thing that is going to protect you from any disease, be it corona, be it anything coming in future, is your immunity. And immunity will only build up if you are exercising and eating healthy. So so we wish all of you a very happy and safe Diwali. And a lot of people who have been affected by corona are going through respiratory problems. So I will request that please don't burn crackers. You will increase their trouble more, and it is going to affect everyone. So as a good citizen, good human being, please do not and avoid as much as possible to burn crackers. Light diyas, help out each other, be happy, spend time with your family. That is what good festivals are meant, to bond with each other, to help out each other, and to be together with each other. And we all look forward to meet you all. We look forward to be the same family as we are always. And thank you again to all the teachers who've stood by us, our vice principal, our coordinators, our principal ma'am, every one of us, all our staff, our office staff who's been working continuously throughout the corona, our guards, our gardeners, our drivers, everyone has been a very strong part and pillar of in these troubled times where we thought, I don't know what's going to happen, the world is going to crash down, but all of them together stood together as pillars, and we built this shelter where we could all stand under. Thank you for being with us. Thank you all parents. Thank you all children. We all understand you've all have gone through a lot, but we all must stand together. We have stood together. We'll stand together, and we'll make sure that we all get through this peacefully and nicely. God bless you all. You have a lovely day and a lovely Diwali, and we look forward to see you soon. Thank you. God bless.